I'm Jatin Agrawal and welcoming you in this second session of Problem on Aces. I am sure in the previous session you have learned how to avoid equations, how to use ratios, how to solve question without pen and paper, right? Now, today we are moving on to the another level of questions where we will be covering little more complex questions, maybe again without pen and paper. Okay, so stay tuned with me to understand this very important and very mind-blowing concept. The agenda is very simple: how to use A's difference in the ratio-based questions. Okay, and then we will look at the practice questions. So the concept is simple. The A's difference between two person always remains constant. We already have discussed this particular concept in the previous class. What's new that we are going to use today is, tell me guys, if I tell you there are two ratios, one is 2 ratio 3 and one is 4 ratio 5. Okay, now if you multiply this 2 ratio 3 by 2, the new ratio will be 4 ratio 6. Is it the same ratio or different ratio? If you multiply 2 ratio 3 by 2, now the number is 4 ratio 6. Is it the same ratio or different ratio? Same ratio? Of course, yes. But there is one very beautiful thing happened here. 2 and 3 difference was 1. 4 and 6 difference was 2. Even if I did not change the ratio by multiplying it by 2, but the difference has been changed. We have discussed it in the ratios class and maybe we have used the concept already there. Okay. Secondly, let me show you another thing. Changing color. 2 and 3 summation was 5. 4 and 6 summation is 10. So you know, by multiplying it by 2, I could change the summation. I could change the difference between the two terms of ratio, but keeping the ratio meaning or value of ratio intact. Okay, that's a concept we are going to use today and you will enjoy it. That's my promise. So let's look at this now. Ratio of the present ages of two boys is 5 ratio 7. After 4 years, the ratio will be 7 ratio 9. So presently the ratio is 5 ratio 7. After 4 years, the ratio will be 7 ratio 9. Clear? Okay. If these are the valid ratios of two different people at two different timing, the age difference must be same, because if they are actually the ratio of A's, the difference of A's has to be same. So let's make the difference of ratio to be same. 5 and 7 already 2. 7 and 9 already 2. That's good news. You know what is the good news now? The meaning of this is, if this number is 5k, this number is 7k, this number is 7k, this number is 9k. I can use the same variable in both the ratios. Clear? And we know what is the time difference. From 7 to 9, the time difference is 2k. That is equal to 4. K is equal to 2. So what are the ages? The ages are 5 twos are 10 and 7 twos are 14. These are present ages. Question is, what is the ratio after 14 years from the present age? After 14 years, changing the color, it is plus 14 years. That means 24 and 28. What is it? 6, no, 4 6 are 4 7 are. The answer will be 6 ratio 7. Can you please check it out? Very doable question. If you do it this way, it will save your time. One approach. Let's say you don't want to do it this way. Okay. You can say the present ages are 5x and 7x. After 4 years, the ages will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. And this ratio is actually given as 7 ratio 9. So I can solve this equation, get the value of x from here, and then I proceed. That's another way. Okay. Right. Do you remember a double cross method we have discussed during ratios class? Do you? Yes or no? Yes. So let me show you the double cross method that is also applicable. I can say the previous ratio was 5:7, new ratio was 7:9, and this particular thing happened after 4 years. Clear? Let me take a double cross. 5 nines are 45, 7 sevens are 49. 5 nines are 45, 7 sevens are 49. 49 minus 45 is 4. Clear? 9 fours are 36, 7 fours are 28. 9 fours are 36, 7 fours are 28. 36 minus 28 is 8. So 1 is equal to, if 1 is equal to 2, the 5 is equal to 10 and 7 is equal to 4. I did this question by how many ways, guys? 3 different ways, right? You can see it. The one which is equation method, another which is a age difference method, and third which is a double cross method. So let's see whether it is applicable in the next question or not. The ratio of the ages of A and B 4 years ago was 7:5. The ratio of the ages 6 years from now is 19:15. What is the ratio of the present age of A and B? First of all, one scenario is 4 years ago. Another scenario is 6 years from now. What is the time difference? In the two incidents, in the two scenarios, one is 4 years ago, another is 6 years now. The time difference is 10 years, right? Time difference is 10 years. Of course, yes. Now, I am doing this question in 3 different ways. Let me do it, guys. The first approach is current ages are 7x and 5x. Current ages, I mean this 7x, 5x, 4 years ago ages, plus 10 are the required ages 6 years from now. I mean total 10 years from the current scenario, from the this scenario 7:5. This is 19/15. That is one approach. But in this question, the calculation is little complex. 15 sevens are 105, 19 fives are 95, 105, 95, 10x. 150, 190, 19 tens are 190, 15 tens are 150. So 190 minus 150, 40. X is equal to 4. Clear? So what are the ages? 28 and 20. These are the ages 4 years ago. So what is the present ages? Plus 4 years. So present ages are 32 and what is it? 24. 8 fours are 8 threes are 4:3. Check it out. Is this correct? Okay. Perfect. Can it be done by double cross method? Yes. I can say previous ratio was 7:5. New ratio was 19:15. And the time difference is 10 years, 10 years. That's a double cross only. Changing the color. 15 sevens are 105. 19 fives are 95. 105 minus 95 is 10. Clear? Changing the color once again. 15 tens are 150. 19 tens are 190. 190 minus 150, 40. 1 is equal to 4. So ages are 28 and 20. Again the same story. Fine. So these are the methods we already know. Can I use age difference method here? Let me see. Presently in this ratio 7:5, difference is 2. But in this ratio 19:15, difference is 4. If they are actually representing the ages of two different persons in two different timings, the age difference must have been same. How can I make this same so that the ratios are comparable? 2, 4. How can you make this same? Just multiply this by 2. So this number is now 14. This number is now 10. Clear? 14 and 10. What is the difference now? 4. 19 and 15. What is the difference now? 4. Everything is matched. Means now I can see this story as 14K, 10K were the ages. 19K and 15K are the ages. What is the time difference? Same story. One story was 4 years ago. Another story was 6 years hence. time difference is 10 years. So this K, 15K, right? This 5K is equal to 10. Okay, I'm not hiding something. Yes. So what is the value of K? 2. What are the ages? 14 twos are 28 and 10 twos are 20. After 4 years, the present ages, after 4 years, the ages will be 32 and 24. What is the ratio, guys? 4:3. Don't you think this method is the fastest method? Because many times you can handle this without writing anything on paper. You can handle this. Okay, so we have seen the two cases. One, where the differences were already same. Second, where differences were not same and we made it same. Okay, let's look at example 3. Is it different? Let's look at this. Ratio of the present age of daughter and father is 1:5 and that of mother and father is 4:5. Okay, daughter father, mother father. Now there are 3 people. After 2 years, the age of daughter and mother is 3:10. So at the end, we have to talk about 3 people. Remember combining ratio. So present age of daughter and father. Daughter and father is 1:5. Present age of mother and father, okay, is 4:5. The good thing is the 5 and 5 is already common. So the age of daughter, father and mother is 1, 5, 4. Is this clear? Daughter, father, mother is 1, 5, 4. Later on they are saying daughter and mother. So let me just highlight the 2 people there. Daughter and mother is 1, 4. And now this ratio is 3:10. Now this ratio is 3:10. Tell me guys, is this clear? Yes. So I'm saying daughter, mother and father. Let me reorganize this. Daughter is 1, mother is 4, father is 5, and daughter is 3, mother is 10. Clear? After 2 years. So let's look at the ratio concept now. What is the difference here? 3. What is the difference here? 7. How will you make them same? Multiply this by 7, multiply this by 3. So what is the modified ratios now? 7, 28 and 35. Clear? 3 3s are 9 and 30. Now see this, the actual comparison between the two ratios from the 7 and 9, the difference should have been 2 because it is saying after 2 years. And the best part is the difference is already 2. If this is 7K, this is 28K, this is 35K, 9K and 30K. I'm saying the difference of 7 and 9, that is 2K, should be equal to 2 years. So what is the value of K? 1. That means the ages are 7, 28, 35, 9 and 30 as it is. So what is the present age of father? It is 35. Just look at this, whether this is clear. Very easy, right? Okay. I'm saying if you're okay with the ratio and you have developed this approach, it will save your time. Now let's say you do not want to use this approach, but you have to do this much effort for sure. You have to do this much effort for sure. Thereafter you can get into the double cross method. Should I erase this? Okay, I'm getting into double cross. What is a double cross? We know the story is after 2 years. So this is 2, this is 2. Take a double cross. What is double cross? 1 into 10, 3 into 4. 12 minus 10, 3 into 2, 6. 10 into 2, 20. 6 and 20. 6 and 20. 20 minus 6, 14. So 1 is equal to. So this 1 is 7. This 4 is 28. and this 5 is 35. This is double cross. It depends on the comfort, which method you find most comfortable. I can't say that double cross is the best method, age difference is the best method, or simple equation is the best method. You decide it by developing all the three methods so that you can get a pro into it. Okay? Perfect. So let's see some practice questions. When you look at this question, right, the first thing I always check the age difference. 3-5 is the present ratio, 5-7 is the later ratio, 3-5 difference is 2, 5-7 difference is 2, done. In this particular question, the age difference are already same. That means if this number is 3k, 5k, this number is 5k, 7k. What is the time difference in 5k and 7k? 5k and 7k. What is the time difference? 2k. That is 8 years. So k is 4. So what is the present ages? 3k, that is 12. 5k, that is 20. The sum of present ages is 12 and 20, 32 years. Finished. You see the benefit of using double cross here. Oh, sorry. You see the benefit of using age difference method here. Wonderful. Okay, you can do it by double cross, you can do it by equation approach. Double cross, you will write it like this: 3, 5, 5, 7 and 8, 8. Equation, you will write it like this: 3x plus 8 upon 5x plus 8 is 5 by 7. Choice is yours. What method you want to follow? Okay? Right. Next. I always see this. If they're talking about the ratio of the ages of two people and ratio of the ages of two people after some time, is the difference same? It is 1. It is 2. Okay. How can I make the age difference same, guys? Multiply this ratio by 2. Can it be done verbally? Yes. So I say 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8. This is normally, so 11 and 9. Now age difference is same, right? What is the time difference? After 3 years. So basically this 1, 8 and 9, 1 is equal to 3. If 1 is equal to 3, what is this? 10, 30. What is this? 8, 24. What is the present age of B? Present age of B, 24. Finished. You understood the benefit of this approach? You may answer the question just by looking at it like this. Okay? If you want me to do it by other methods, I'm just writing those equations. If you want to do it by double cross, initial ratio 5, 4, final ratio 11, 9, the time difference is 3 years, 3 years, do double cross. You want to do it by equations, 5x is the present age, 4x is the present age, plus 3 after 3 years, it is 11 by 9. Solving it. I already have trained you very well how to solve this. Perfect. Next. Read the question. In this question, the problem is one story is 6 years ago. Okay. And another story is after 4 years. How to handle this? What is the time difference in the two scenarios? One is talking about 6 years ago, past, and 4 years later, future. So what is the time difference? 10 years is a time difference. That's the first thing we have to understand. Clear. Secondly, Kamal and Suresh, check the name. Kamal and Suresh, yes. So the difference was 1, 651. Difference was 1. Oh, wonderful. I think here the age difference method is the best approach. If I assume the ages was 6k and 5k, 6 years ago, okay, the ages will be 11k and 10k 4 years later. Why I am using the same variable? Because I already have verified the age difference is same. The gap 5k, 10k, 5k is 10 years. Right? Right? So what is the value of k? 2. Done? That means the ages are or the ages were whatever, it is 6K and 5K, the ages were 12 and 10. And these are the ages 6 years ago. So what is the present ages? You will add 6 into it. It is 12 plus 6 and 10 plus 6. That is 18 and 60. We have to look for Kamal. It is a first person. Answer is 18. Check it out. This is the wonderful method of doing it. And you know, I have seen students solving it by making dirty equations. You will get the solutions printed of such questions in those conventional or traditional methods. But I can do this question maybe without pen and paper because I know 6, 4, 10. 10 years, 6, 5, 1, 11, 10, 1, 1, 1. Okay, age difference same. 5, 10, 5. 5 is 10, 1 is 2. Okay, ages are 12 and 10. 12, 6 years ago. Current age 12 plus 6, 18. Done. Something like this, we can finish it. Okay, let me show you the dirty method. People say, sir have told us to take a meaningful variable. So I am assuming the present ages of Kamal is K and Suresh is S. Kamal minus 6, Suresh minus 6 is 6 by 5. So equation number 1. 4 years after, age of Kamal is K plus 4, age of Suresh is S plus 6. This is 11 by 10. Now converting this into a two variable equation, and solving those two variable equation, I proudly tell my answer is 18 years for Kamal. Amazing. This is what I am telling is a dirty method. If you still want to get into equations, right, then the better way is you assume the ages are 6x and 5x. These are the ages 6 years ago. So current ages is plus 6 plus 6. Even 4 years later, plus 4 plus 4. This is 11 by 10. At least you will have one equation, one variable better than the dirty method. You need to use pen and paper, no doubt, but you can do it. Or you can use double cross method. You can say 6, 5 were the ages, 11, 10 were the ages ratio, minus 6 plus 4 time difference is 10, 10. Use a double cross. You remember? Yes. Going forward. So again the same story. 4 years ago, minus 4. After 3 years, plus 3. What is the time difference? 7 years. If both has been ago, subtract. Both has been after, subtract. One is past, one is future, add. Now, father and son. So they are talking about father and son. Father and son, 6.5 times. That means 6.5 ratio 1, or better if I write this is 13 ratio. The father and son, 13 ratio. Father become 3 times, 3 ratio. Okay. Is the age difference same, guys? The age difference is 11. The age difference is 2. So multiply this by 2, this by 11. I'm trying to make the age difference same. 13, 2, 26, 2, 2, 4, 11, 3, 33, 11, 1, 11. Time difference is 7. That is equal to 7 years only. So we are in the good news now. If 7 is equal to 7, 1 is equal to 1. Right? That means 26 and 4 are the actual ages. Clear? Find the present age of son. The age of son was 4 years 4 years ago. So present age of son is 8 years. Can be done, guys, without getting into equations. Age difference method. Do you want me to do it by double cross method or by equation method? I will not do it. In fact, you should try this question by all the 3 methods so that you can get a pro kind of feeling into it. Right? Okay. Let's do one more question, demonstration purpose. Look at this, guys. This question will show you the importance of age difference method actually. Okay. The ratio of the present ages of husband and wife is 4:3. After 4 years, the ratio will be 9:7. If the ratio of the ages at the time of their marriage is 3:2, so 3:2 is somewhere previous story. Clear? So let me see it like this: 3:2 at the time of marriage. At the time of marriage. In fact, let me have space on it. Okay. So what I'm saying, at the time of marriage, okay, the ratio were 3:2. Clear? At present, clear, the ratio is 4:3. Clear? And after 4 years, the ratio is 9:7. So tell me, if these are three different ratios between the same two people, husband and wife, the difference should have been same. What is the difference? 1. What is the difference? 1. What is the difference? 2. If you want the difference all across same, you multiply this by 2, this by 2, and this remains same. Clear? So basically, what are the final ratios? 3 2s are 6, 4. 4 2s are 8, okay, 6. 9 1s are 9, and 7. All fine? Okay. Is there any time gap you know which is given to you in the question? Yes. Between these two scenarios, the time gap is visible as 1 in this particular ratio, but actually this time gap is 4 years, right? 4 years. So if 1 is equal to 4, if 1 is equal to 4, that means 8 is equal to 32 and 6 is equal to 24. This is enough. Or 9 is equal to 36. Check 32 plus 4, 36. Tell me when they were married. How long ago they get married? Currently the age is 32. At the time of marriage, the husband was of 24 years old. Clear? But this is not a legitimate marriage because that lady is of 16 years age. Thank God it is a mathematical question. Okay, I'm just kidding. So we do not put that emotional thing into the questions, right? So 24, 32. How many years ago the persons were married? 8 years ago. Look at this. 8 years ago. In this question, if I use age difference method, it will be like a wow question. Got the point? So it is very important to develop variety of methods if you want to clear all good exams, right? Perfect. So that's all for the day, guys. We have done as I have told you in the beginning of the session. And that's all for the day, guys. We have completed the problem on ages. Again, I always say this in the end of my class that it is not the end of the concept. It is not the end of the practice. It is just the direction I have given you. You have to give your best so that you become a pro into this particular topic and you can answer questions like this. Okay, that's all, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.